Today we will build a clean, interactive Power BI dashboard from an Excel workbook and style every visual so it looks professional. Follow along and you will be able to reproduce the exact dashboard and customize it for your own dataset. Start by loading the Excel file into Power BI. Open Power BI Desktop and click on Excel Workbook. Power BI will open the file browser. Select your workbook and click Load. The dataset is imported and appears in the Fields pane. Once the data is loaded, you can start building visuals immediately. To highlight a single KPI, create a card visual. From the Visualizations pane, choose the card visual that does not show the small icon in the corner. With the card selected, go to the Fields pane and tick Sum of Total Sales so the card shows the aggregated value from your dataset. The number may look too small by default, so with the card selected, open the Format Visual pane. Under Callout Value, increase the font size, make it bold if you like, and change the font family or color so the metric stands out. You can also resize the card by dragging the handles at the corners until the size looks balanced on your canvas. Next, we will create a calculation for profit per unit. Measures are dynamic calculations stored in the model, and you can write them manually or create them quickly using Quick Measure. To write it manually, go to the Home tab and click New Measure. Give the measure a clear name like profit per unit, then type the formula using divide and some functions written as words when you explain it. In practice, you will use the divide function with sum of profit as the numerator and sum of quantity as the denominator, and provide an alternate result of 0 if there is a divide by 0. Power BI will compute the result and you can pin this measure into a card visual the same way you did for total sales. If you prefer a point-and-click flow, go to Home, click Quick Measure, choose Division from the Mathematical Operations list, set the numerator to profit and the denominator to quantity, and Quick Measure will create the measure and show the DAX code for you. Quick measures are great when you are learning or need a fast result. For comparing branch performance, build a clustered bar chart. From the Visualizations pane, select Clustered Bar Chart, then in the Fields pane add branch to the axis and profit to the values. Power BI will create a bar for each branch with profits sorted automatically. Hovering on any bar shows the value in a tooltip so you can quickly inspect numbers such as a branch that shows a profit of 4,524.33. The visual title and axis labels are added automatically, but you can edit them in the Format pane. To show payment method distribution, use a donut chart. Choose the donut visual from the Visualizations pane and add payment method as the legend and total sales as the values. Power BI assigns colors to each slice by default. A matrix visual is useful when you want a compact table with aggregated values. Select Matrix from the Visualizations pane and add fields such as product category, gross margin, profit per unit, and total sales. The matrix will show aggregated totals for each category. To combine different measures in one visual, use the line and stacked column chart. Add total sales and profit to the chart and then add date. Power BI will show a date hierarchy. Expand the date field and select month to view month-level trends. If both metrics appear as columns and the line is missing, drag the measure you want as the line into the line y-axis area in the Visualizations pane so one measure displays as columns and the other as a line. This combo chart helps you compare total sales and profit trends across months while keeping the scales readable. Stacked bar charts are helpful to compare composition across categories. Choose Stacked Bar Chart and add branch to the axis, payment method to the legend, and total sales to values. The chart will stack the payment method slices for each branch so you can see, for example, the sales amount for card payments in Botanical Lane as a separate colored segment. Hover on a segment to see the precise sales value for that payment method in that branch. Add interactivity with a slicer. Choose the slicer visual and add the month column from your dataset rather than the date hierarchy. Using the month field ensures the slicer shows only the months that exist in your data set, rather than all 12 months, which might look odd when you have data only for a quarter. To add a title or heading for the dashboard, insert a shape and use it as a title container. Go to Insert, choose Shapes and pick a rectangle or rounded rectangle. With the shape selected, the Format Shape pane appears. Turn on the Title option in the Format pane, edit the title text, center it, increase the font size and change its color. Remove the shape outline by setting Outline to None and adjust the fill so it matches the dashboard background. This provides a neat banner heading without extra graphic clutter. Apply a consistent theme so visuals and fonts match the brand. Open the View tab and explore the Themes drop-down. You can pick from built-in Power BI themes, browse for custom themes online, or select a theme from the gallery. To further tweak the look, choose Customize Current Theme and change colors, fonts, visual backgrounds, and filter pane appearance. Once you settle on a brand theme, you save current theme so you can reuse it across dashboards. The consistent theme will ensure that colors, fonts, and chart visuals remain cohesive. After placing visuals, arrange and size them so the dashboard is not cluttered. Resize visuals by dragging corner handles. To allow users to explore each visual in detail, duplicate a visual on a separate report page. For example, copy the stacked bar chart, add a new page, and paste it. On page 2, enlarge the pasted visual so it fills most of the canvas. This gives viewers a drill-down view where they can focus on a single visual without other elements competing for attention. When the dashboard is finished, check interaction and performance. Ensure slicers filter all related visuals correctly. Test tooltips and hover states to confirm values are readable. That covers Power BI tutorial. Practice these steps on your own dataset and you will be able to produce well-designed, interactive dashboards for any team. Like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in the next one.